Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on downloading and playing Roblox on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On your Mac, open up a web browser and go to roblox.com. If you already have a Roblox account, click the login button from the top right of the screen. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one now. So fill in the account creation form here and then click sign up. Once you're signed in to your Roblox account, you can now find a game that you want to play in order to install the Roblox client on your Mac. Choose any game and then click the green play button to try and play it. You'll now get a pop-up prompting you to download and install Roblox. Click that button. If you get a pop-up from Safari asking if you want to allow downloads from roblox.com, click allow. Roblox will now download. Once it's done, you can click the Downloads folder from the dock in your Mac and click the Roblox file to open it. Now you just need to double-click this Roblox icon, then tap Open if you get a pop-up. After a moment or two, it will tell you that Roblox is officially installed. You can drag the Roblox icon to your desktop if you want, but it's not necessary. There is no Roblox app like on mobile. You use Roblox in your web browser, and when you start to play any game, it will launch the Roblox client. Go back to roblox.com and try to play any game. You will need to tap allow the first time you play a game, but from then on, every game you play will launch straight away. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Roblox tips and tricks.